Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Let's go over You Suck at Cooking's YouTube channel. They currently have 2,130,000 subscribers. Total amount of views is 208,693,673. Daily subs is currently 1,000 and monthly subs is at 30,000. Now daily revenue, this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is currently 120,000 and monetized playback is 80% of daily views. So 80% of 120,000 is 96,000. And the reason I chose 80% is because I noticed that for my own YouTube channel that 80% of my views were actually monetized. And a monetized playback is just whenever you see ads on a video, then you know that the video is monetized. Now the CPM, it's usually you take the views divided by, it's 1,000 views gives a YouTuber between $4, $3 to $5. So I'll say $4. Daily income is the monetized playback multiplied by the CPM. So 96,000 multiplied by 0.004. And you get $384. Monthly income is $384 multiplied by 30, and you get $11,520. Annual revenue, this is going to be an estimate, $11,520 multiplied by 12, and you get $138,240. Now YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $138,240 multiplied by 0.55 and you get $76,032. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. And let me know of the next YouTuber you want me to do next.